How to find Windows 10 security username and password. I'm going to tell you how to find the security username and password on Windows 10. If you're being asked for a security username and password, like during network access, remote desktop, or admin changes, it usually means Windows is prompting for a user account with the right permissions. The username is your Windows account name, and the password is what you use to sign in. If you're using a Microsoft account, it's your email and its password. For local accounts, go to Settings, Accounts, Your Info to check your username. If you've gotten the password, press Ctrl Alt Delete, select Change a Password, or use a reset disk if you made one. Still stuck? Boot into safe mode or use another admin account to reset it.